Hey friend, so in this video what I want to talk to you a little bit about is how I set up my lead magnets in order to have a constant lead flow every day from each platform as part of my Modern Maker operating system. So if you haven't watched this video, it should be in the description below. It's called the Modern Maker OS, the operating system that gets me 5 figures. If you have seen it, then this image will look familiar to you. But in essence, we've got basically ads or organic coming from Instagram, organic coming from LinkedIn being my primary platform, and word of mouth as the traffic flow. And then you get people into your email list and so on. You sort of go down and take them through more depth by using email, YouTube, and some remarketing ads and all of that. But today, I'm not going to rerun through this model. What I'm going to do is just talk to you about this intersection here. So what sort of assets have worked really well for me, taking somebody from Instagram or LinkedIn through to my email list. Obviously, the easiest one is just saying subscribe to my newsletter. But then if you decide to ever run ads or do anything like that, you got to have a system to pre-sell your leads before they come through. So that way, when you make them an offer, it's not like, hey, I just met you, let's put a ring on it. We want to get a series of easy yeses in order to make it easier and also for you to make it profitable. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes of how I've done this. So for example, my number one lead magnet is my personal website, which is jacobpegs.xyz. I'll show you in a second, but I have a LinkedIn post that I write. For example, here, this was 4 days ago. I'm saying another fully automated Modern Maker client came in this morning while I was shopping groceries with my family and self-onboarded themselves, which is wacky to me. But anyway, the post goes on to explain how this happened, and I have a screenshot. I've got myself and Coconut here, my doggy. But what I'm saying here at the end is, if you're still the operator in your business, writing, pitching, pushing all the time, you might be overdue to become an architect, somebody who builds these little systems. Start with the training by clicking visit my website. So when somebody goes here, obviously on my LinkedIn, I've worked on it for some years now. So it's got 48.1K followers at the time of writing. Just to put it into context, so I have built an audience for myself. This works as well if you want to run paid ads or if you have a small sized audience. Just get people to click off the platform and into something else. So when somebody clicks visit my website, the reason why I say that and don't put a direct link is because LinkedIn penalizes you when you put in a direct link, but this sort of works. I have a premium account and all of that. So they click here, and then I'm saying you can get the template that generated 1.19 million without sales calls. They give me their email, and then from there, I'm able to give them a template. So primarily what happens here is once somebody's given me their email, they're presented with this little YouTube video, which tells a little bit of my story of how I owned an agency and was tired, exhausted through, being on sales calls every day. And I'm solving this problem of sales calls by having a Google Doc or an invitation document that basically allows for you to, sign coaching, consulting, service provision-based clients without the call. I walk through it. If they click, I sort of handle the objections and do all of that, show some testimonials, talk about the old way versus the new way of how I used to do things with 60-minute calls and now how I'm doing it with a document instead. Instead of having follow-ups, I just let the system sort of do its thing. I won't get into the nitty-gritty because this is sort of me just showing you that if you have a problem that you are solving and the pain point is strong enough, then people buy into it. So as somebody clicks visit my website, they are presented with this offer, and then they can either purchase it if they click on the the checkout, or then they get 3 little emails once they come through my email list. And one of them is just welcoming them, telling them a little bit more about me, which is the story from here, but written in text. The second one is sort of like what's inside the thing they're getting. And then the third message is sort of like, hey, I'm going to leave you alone. But at the core of it, this is my lead magnet. And what happens when somebody opts into this little funnel over here is, I would say about 20% purchase the $49 product and 11% at the checkout also purchase the upsell. So what I'm dealing with is actual customers, not leads, people who have actually bought something. Not always, but the majority of the time. And also what I do here, for example, so just to put it back into context for you, what we did from this is LinkedIn organic. I also do the same thing on Instagram because meta ads are better. But every time I put something out there, I can run an ad. Like you can see this one has a $5 a day ad running to it. So me squatting with a watermelon essentially and saying comment doc, and these people that are commenting doc, watermelon squats. So you see these people that are commenting doc are being redirected in the DMs. Let me see if I can find it. See, here's an example here. So they're redirected with a tool called ManyChat. Automatically, they give their email, and then I send them this prompt, or ManyChat sends them the prompt that gets them back to this page. So why I'm showing you this is, I would say I'm just getting views on this and then directing people behind the scenes or through this creative to comment the word doc and then give them my lead magnet. You can also see other ones that I run organically here where I'm saying, for example, POV, blah, 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 results, comment doc again. So this is about like once or twice a week, I'll create an asset that's like 3 or 4 seconds, and I'll stick it in the caption as well. And the same thing happens. So people comment doc, and I'm getting leads day in, day out, of which about 20% of them will buy the $49 product. Simply what happens here when I'm running the ads is, on one sale, if it's $5 a day, I'm technically $15 in profit, and I'm able to reinvest that into this ad. But I'm 90% organic and 10% ads as per this little system over here. So that's my first lead magnet. It's my customer offer that turns a lead to a customer. And then I've got other lead magnets, which could be like breakdowns of things or videos of things, because what you're trying to do is get somebody from cold to sold, with a series of easy yeses. I don't want to go, hey, here's my high ticket thing. I want to gradually get you through. So the other lead magnet that's been working really well for me, let me find it over here, is when I say the word roadmap on Instagram. I'll use it here because it's much easier. So for example, here I've just got a simple photo on my phone, and then inside the caption I'm saying I wasn't going to post this, blah blah blah. It doesn't matter what the post actually is, but comment roadmap to get a 20-minute crash course. So what happens with this one is, somebody who wants to know how I build my 7-figure one-person business with one offer, one post, and one email a day can comment roadmap to get a free crash course. So anybody who comments the word roadmap, ManyChat will take care of it the same way that I showed you. And I do the same thing on LinkedIn, where I say comment that word, or in my about section there I have a keyword which basically leads to this training. So you can see here when people say maker from my about section, I'm inspired by your story, I want to learn from you, please send me the material, and they get this landing page. So I get this, about 5-6 times a day per platform from Instagram and LinkedIn. And once they're given this page, it's really, really simple, right? Like I give them this and then they say, hey, give me your email. I now have them on my email list, which is my primary source of conversion. Like I've been writing a daily email since 2023. And once they give me their email, they're redirected to basically this page over here, which says, hey, here's the YouTube video. You guys now recognize the picture when I got lazy on Instagram here. It was probably the same day using that picture. But what I am doing is basically saying, hey, watch this video. And then at the end of this video, I'm telling them my story and then also sharing a little bit about my model. And then if they vibe with it, I say you can comment this keyword on Instagram and I'll send you the details. But what is happening here is instead of getting people from your what I call top of the funnel straight to your offer, whether you're doing sales calls or sending a document, turning a lead straight to a client and having to convince them as the hustle bros who do sales calls do, we just want them to make a series of easy yeses, right? Like from LinkedIn, from whatever social platform, all you have to do is comment a keyword. You say yes, you comment. Then all you have to do is join this list or watch this video, read this little offer, right? So it's not hard to say yes and warm up. But by having these sort of lead magnets, I've only shown you these 2 today, but I also have like a playbook that is a deep rundown of all of this model that I'm doing in the video, but in writing as well. So by the time they get in, they're naturally pre-sold into your system, and it makes your marketing efforts so much easier. So this is sort of the architecture of lead magnets, and it becomes so beautifully automated because then all you have to do is create content and once or twice a week have a keyword or direct people through to your lead magnets to pre-sell them. Sort of like the beginning of what I call my daily client engine in this little map. So hopefully you learned something today and it was useful to you. If you have any questions, you can throw them down in the description below. I'd love it if you hit subscribe and showed some love on this channel, and I will be doing more and more of these little breakdowns through and through as we install the Modern Maker operating system for myself, for my clients, and we tweak it along the way. So thank you and have a great rest of the day.